Hey guys, by now you've probably gotten your Chromebooks and you have logged in, hopefully. What I need you to do is open up Chrome and go to desmos.com and then go ahead and launch the calculator. You can put this video on pause if you need more time to do that. What we're going to be doing today is I have a worksheet that is going to be passed out in just a few seconds. This is very similar to the stuff we were doing in class yesterday. There's a set of values here, and you're going to have to find a function that maps the data. And you're going to have to do the math behind that. So I wanted to give you just a walkthrough of how Desmos can be used as a tool to check your work. And so once you have Desmos opened, what we're going to do is we're going to put in a table of values here. And if you go to this plus sign, add item, put in a table. I have a table already made here that I want you to put in. I'll say the numbers and then you can just enter them in. The first one is going to be x equals 9 and y equals -5, and you can just use the arrows to put this in. The next one is 18 and -7. If I'm going too fast, we can pause the video as soon as I'm done here and you can put everything in. 27, -9. And then finally 36 and -11. Again, if you need more time, pause the video and we'll give you more time. Now, to see these points, we can just adjust our windows, just zoom out a little bit, zoom in, whatever you need to do. And so there are the points that we just graphed. And the goal now for you is to do the math and come up with the function that actually makes the line through that data. I've already done the math on this one. And so the function, I'll put it in f of x equals, and it's going to be -2/9 x, -2/9 x minus 3. I've done that work off to the side. And so I can verify now that, yep, my math was correct. That's the line that goes through those points. And if you look at this worksheet here, it's going to ask you to make a prediction now. So it's going to say, okay, find f of 23, find f of 5, whatever it is. If I wanted to find f of 23 here, one of the options that I have is I can make a table with this function. And for that, I'm going to go up to this icon up here, and you can do this with me. Go up to this icon and click on it, and then click Convert to Table. And it will give me this table of values here. Well, I don't need all this stuff. I want to know what's happening at 23. So if I delete that first one and put in a 23, I can see that my f of x is at -8.1111. All right, I can verify that algebraically by plugging f of 23 into my function, and then I can check it on Desmos just to make sure I'm right. I don't want you to use Desmos as a crutch here. I want you to use it as a way to check your work. You are responsible for knowing how to do the math on this worksheet. Hopefully that makes sense. The substitute will now pass out the worksheet, and then you guys can get to work. Talk to you later.